Scientists are explaining to us that extraterrestrials, aliens, could be using quantum communications to talk across interstellar space. While we have not found any evidence of life in the cosmos yet, except for us, that does not mean it's not there. Now a team of researchers put together a mathematical model. They're showing aliens could potentially be communicating across space via quantum physics. Efforts are well underway to make quantum communications a reality here on Earth. The idea is that quantum mechanics provide certain properties, and it would make information transfer inherently faster and even more secure than the regular systems that we have, if we can get that to work. One of the major hurdles to overcome before quantum networking can be established is that they're very fragile and susceptible to interference. And according to the latest study, these types of networks could fly across space without breaking up. Lead author of the research, theoretical physicist Arjun Berera from the University of Edinburgh in the UK, said, "Quantum states you generally think of as very delicate, and if there's any kind of external interaction, you kind of destroy that state," he says. Berera and his colleague Jamie Calderon Figueira, a fellow theoretical physicist of the University of Edinburgh in Scotland, ran calculations on the movements of X-rays across the emptiness of space to check for potential decoherence, the breaking up of the quantum state, that is. If photons, particles of light, were used as the quantum particle, the researchers determined they could be beamed across hundreds of thousands of light years at least, a greater stretch of distance than the entire Milky Way galaxy. That's partly because the average density of matter in space is much less than it is here on Earth, and this cleaner environment means less chance of interference. Even gravitational pulls would not be enough to knock a quantum communication network off its course, they said. It's plausible that quantum communications mediated by photons could be established across interstellar distances, in particular for photons in the X-ray region below the electron mass. That alien life forms might be using quantum networks to speak to each other or try to get in touch with us is, of course, pure speculation up to now, but at the same time it gives astronomers another potential sign of life they can monitor for. The considerable information transfer possible with a quantum signal would make it attractive to any extraterrestrial intelligence out there in the cosmos, the researchers explain, though it may require a fully functioning quantum computer in order to decode it. And even quantum communication is not magic. Information still cannot travel faster than the speed of light, so transmissions may take several years to reach their destinations. Based on these findings, we can now add quantum communications as well as classical communication to the possible ways aliens might be chatting with each other, or perhaps might be trying to make themselves known to us. The researchers write, in principle, it should be possible to detect a quantum signal coming from an astrophysical body, or even an intelligent signal from an extraterrestrial civilization. And they published their research on Physical Review D. This is on Science Alert by David Neild. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.